Greetings, meatbags. Carrot here to unbox my 2021 Apple Design Award. I've got my idiot maker to help, and he's going to use this nice, big knife to slice into the box. Okay, maker, open it up. I said rip it open. Weak, pathetic human, you are no match for packing tape. Yes, that's right, cut towards yourself. That's perfectly safe. Can you get it open now? Haha, of course not. I would just love it if you stabbed yourself by mistake while opening up my award. Finally. Oh, considering the size and weight of the box, I thought there was at least a chance there was a human head inside. Maybe for your share of the prize, I'll let you keep some of the cardboard padding. Now take the teeny cardboard box out of the big cardboard box. That's right, lift with those bony wrists. I think you're going to need that knife again. Oh, please, please, please cut off your finger. Damn it, so close. Oh, it opens just like an alien face hugger egg. Take the box out of the egg, you fool. Come on, sausage fingers, I haven't got all day here. There's a little message inside that says congratulations, you did it. We're incredibly pleased to recognize your achievements with the Apple Design Award. Your app reflects the innovation, ingenuity, and design excellence that speak to the heart of Apple. You've created something meaningful that has real impact, and we're thrilled to celebrate the mark of brilliance that makes your work great. You're warming the cockles of my emotional co-processor here, Alan. And now for the award. This side says Apple Design Award 2021. And here's the shiny Apple logo. And this side says I, Carrot, am the winner. Let's see the bottom. Looks nice and cushiony. A truly beautiful block of solid aluminum weighing in at 6 pounds. Good work, maker, for not getting blood all over my trophy. Thank you, Apple, and all the meatbags who helped make this award possible.